Morning folks, it's Saturday the 12th of April and we're currently an hour into the Affric Kintail way. 4 days we got this planned out. So tonight with Robert in the campsite at Morvick, met up with our Dave this morning, and me and Dave's going to tackle this, our 4 sections. So the first part is from Drumnadrochit to Cannich. We're going to stay in the campsite at Cannich tonight, and then we're basically on our own till we're going to wild camp at Affric, and then we're going to head into the Affric hostel, and then we'll be walk out for there. Weather conditions at the minute is absolutely ideal. A nice wee breeze, beautiful sunshine, and just a hazy cloud in the sky. So I will bring you back in a bit.
Different day, one you've never lived before. So with haste, go to somewhere you have never been. Lost, I wish I still was. It's a feeling that you cannot beat when your feet do not know the road, and your head must take you home. A big rogue wave coming your way, you know you're going down. You might be scared, but you gotta run.
Hi guys, that's us. We've been on the go for 5 hours and 20 minutes and we've covered 20k, so probably got a 5k to go into Cannich. So far it's been really good, really good tracks, really good weather, and I think we've done 561 metres of ascent. So very very good for the first day. This weather looks like it's on the turn, clouds starting to come in, wind starting to come up, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll probably bring these back once we get into the Cannich. Look at us, our very own Murchie's Mountains.
Hey, well done.
Very own Murchie's Mountains.
Alrighty. Yes!
How done, Mucker?
Well done, mate.
Aye, good day, hi by all. That's us done. Plus day one is done. And we're in these pods for the night. Cosy. That's us finally done. All in all, we were 26.82k, and it took us 6 hours 50 minutes, total ascent 679 metres. What can I say about today's hike? A lot of sort of forestry tracking that, no really much in the way of brilliant views and that, but still a really enjoyable walk. The weather was good, the weather was really kind to us today. We're just going to have a night in the wee pod.